Hi guys, good morning. Again, this is BFX. I am a trader for the past 9 years, and also I am an EA developer. I develop EAs, convert your strategy into full automation. I also develop indicators and other tools that might help us in our trading journey. So these tools that I will be introducing to you is a powerful tool that might help you in your trading journey, lalo na dun sa mga newbies and those beginners na nagsisimula pa lang or kahit na dun sa mga pro in their trading career. So these tools might help you in your risk management kasi as you can see, we have a lot calculator kasi normally kinakalculate pa natin yung lots. It will take time. So why not harness the power of technology? Okay? So for example, ito yung normally ginagawa natin traditional way. We would enter, tapos move, then ayan, TP. So, then again, lagi tayong bumabalik sa phone natin, tinitingnan natin kung nag-profit na ba para makapag-partial tayo at makapag-move tayo ng break-even natin. Okay, so that is the case. So in a way, today we have a new powerful technology that we might use na to automate everything. So for example, if my risk reward ratio is 1:1 at the current price at 2% risk, magkano lang yung lot size na gagamitin ko for this 1:1 ratio. So pag click ko nito, price, ayan, price, tapos 1:1, tapos lines. So ang lot size lang na iano ko sa current capital ko is 0.03. So here you can see 18.55, syempre kasama yung commission nito, and you have the 16.50 na profit. And makikita nyo rito may TP1 na and TP2. So this was already set up by me. Hindi ko muna ito set up sa inyo kasi this is a long set. Hindi naman masyadong long. It will take time lang and my recording is limited para hindi masyadong mabigat i-upload. So this tool is very powerful kasi I will just explain this to you na if ever man, for example, we have decided to buy in this current position, so buy. So we have already set the buy. Pag bumalik tayo dyan, we have our BE already. Okay? So along with this BE, there is a rules na kapag umabot siya ng 15 points, etong etong break even mo, mag-move siya automatically doon sa BE mo na sinet. Okay? And we have also take profit 1 and take profit 2. Pwede din natin gawin na itong BE, mag-move siya dito. Okay? For example, i-move natin to. Sabi natin masyadong tight, no? So break even, so 150 gawin nating 205 points, sabihin natin 205 points, no? Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So nag-move din yung BE natin at 205 points or 20.5 pips. So ibig sabihin, pag nag-hit itong market na to, pumunta siya rito, nag-partial profit, nag-partial take na siya ng profit niya, at the same time nag-move na rin siya ng BE niya. Okay? Na-hit niya rin yung BE niya, at the same time eto aakyat din to papunta doon, magbe-break even na siya without you intervening. So if you have trades na gagawin, for example, kasi most of mga kilala ko nagtatrabaho pa and syempre pag nasa office hindi ka makaka-focus kasi may work ka, and this tools is very helpful lalo na doon sa mga siguro sa mga busy rin na if they have set their trades into a swing type mode or intraday mode, hindi na sila mahirapan to locate to monitor their trades kasi meron na itong tool na automated lahat. Okay? So definitely they can add TP1, TP2 until TP3 until ma-hit. So every point na nilagay ko rito, every nasa settings yan, automatic magpa-partial yan siya. Pag na-hit yung market, partial. Pag na-hit yung market, partial. Until to the last TP na sinet mo. Ayan. Okay? So, that's the power of this tool, no? So, along with this tool, it has also a trailing, pero hindi ko muna i-discuss. Basta meron tong trailing. You can also see without the marketplace, pwede mo nang makita rito within the tools yung mga kailangan mong i-trade. For example, AUD JPY, automatic mag-ano yan. So, for example, lines, gusto mo, nasa buy mode siya, gusto mong i-sell, well, very easy, ganyan lang. Click mo lang to. So, change. And still, your parameters is same. Okay? So, ano mo lang, double check mo lang pag nag-lines ka or nag-sell ka, sabihin na natin, sell stop. Ayan. We have the sell stop. As you can see. Ayan. Tingnan natin to kung mag-move to. This is an example, no? Sell stop. Kung maka 15 points to, pero hindi na to abutin. Konti na ng oras natin. So, then again, you can move your BE at the, ayan, you can make this 250 points. Ayan, 250 points, then back, close. Ayan. So, at 250 points, once na umabot yung market dito, nag-partial na siya. At the same sa pagpa-partial niya, nag-move na rin siya ng take SL mo. So, kahit nasa labas ka pa, anong ginagawa mo, hindi ka na mag-worry kasi you have the tools, the automation na gagana for you. Okay? Ang kailangan mo lang dito talaga is a BPS. Kahit magkano lang yung BPS, 500. Meron naman, 'di ba? Kasi kailangan mo rin tong naka 24 hours din siya, hindi naman to magano pag pinatay mo yung PC mo. It will not hindi siya gagana. Okay? Hindi siya gagana. Ito gagana to kasi nakaset na to eh. Pero itong mga command dito, hindi ito siya gagana kasi walang magti-trigger na program sa kanya na, huy, TP1 na, close ka na. Pero kung ito yung mo, ito yung sadya mo, hindi ka na maggaganito, well, BPS is hindi mo na kailangan. Pero if ganito yung kind of trader you are na nagpa-partial ka every move, then this is for you. And a 500 BPS is hindi na masyadong kalaki yan yun sa pwedeng ibigay sa iyo ng tools na to. Okay? So, again, there is a lot more about of these tools. Like, sinabi ko nga, BE, pwede mong pagsabayin na yung BE after BE, pwede mong i-trail siya. Pwedeng ganon. And hindi ko na masyadong i-discuss kasi this is just a short video para hindi siya mabigat. So, if you're interested guys, you can drop me a PM, and if you want to purchase these tools, I can help you and I can teach you how to use this i-maximize natin to. Okay? So, for now, hanggang dito lang. This is BFX. Bye-bye.